These participles are sufficient for the explanation of the English verb conjugation system. The so-called progressive forms are based on the present participle and both infinitives of the helping verb be. The perfect forms are based on the past participle and the infinitive of have. Examples. Present progressive, I am eating. Past progressive, I was eating. Future progressive, I will be eating. Eating is a present participle here. Present perfect, I have eaten. Past perfect, I had eaten. Future perfect, I will have eaten. Eaten is a past participle here. Present perfect progressive, I have been eating. Past perfect progressive, I had been eating. Future perfect progressive, I will have been eating. Eating is a present participle here, gerund. It is formed from the verb stem. Its part of speech is between a noun and the verb, but the noun character is dominant. It answers what question? The part of speech of gerund changes between heading toward and leaving from it. As we head to a gerund, we perceive it as a noun. As we leave it, we perceive it as a verb or a noun. Examples. I loved his resonant singing. Even more. The internet adds to the confusion by the following conclusion of a discussion group about using gerund. Examples and wrong examples. I loved his resonantly singing my favorite song. Singing is the gerund. To the left of it we have resonantly, which is an adverb. Adverbs can modify verbs. Singing my favorite song has an object, my favorite song. But only verbs have objects, so singing behaves like a verb in this sentence. One could expect, according to my above explanation, that the following sentence is correct. I loved his resonant singing my favorite song. Noun from the left, verb from the right. However, this sentence is noted in the conclusion as being incorrect. Now, one resolution could be the following sentence: I loved his resonant singing of my favorite song. Adverb. They are used for describing manner, time, place, and degree. The applicable questions include how, when, and where. Examples. How? Diligently. How? Almost. When? Recently. Where? Somewhere. Preposition. They are used for specifying location, time, selection, instrument, agent, and reason. Mention only a few examples: at, since, among, with, by, for. Conjunction. They are used to join words, phrases, and clauses. Examples include, but not restricted to, and, but, while, yet, so, as, nor. When connecting clauses, these conjunctions resemble the use of the operators in mathematical logic. Interjection. They are used to express the feeling or emotion of the writer. Examples include, hey, hi, aha, bravo.